Hey guys, so I just filmed my Christmas haul and I wanted to do an unboxing of my MacBook Pro. So I'm very excited to see what it looks like. And disclaimer again, I'm not trying to brag any, I'm just very grateful. And these are what the videos are going to help become better. We're slowly learning, slowly growing, and we're going to get there all together because of you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, how can I hunt for y'all to see? So I saw an opening right here. Love that. But there's trash over here. Y'all ready? Oh my god, look. Oh my god. Ooh, that's heavy. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. What we get. Oh. What we get in here? We got the charging case. We got instructions. Let's see if we get stickers, because yes, we do. Honey. Okay. And then we have the cube to charge. This is big. But anyways, let's get to the good thing. Got this space gray. It was this one with silver, but like I like the space gray. It looks more like so. Wait. Oh. My god, guys, I'm so excited. Ready. Let's see if y'all can see me scoot over. Wrong side. Just kidding, guys. Oh, wait. There's a little sheet cover. How do you take this off? It turned on. It's lowered down the temperature. I'm so excited. Language. We're gonna put our language real quick. The English, boo boo.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
And I also got the one with the touch bar, so I can put all these. I don't have the one with the buttons, so I have these. Welcome, United States. I have it in my Wi-Fi now, and let's see. Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi supposed to I'm just gonna click continue because mine's actually. Found you. I just put in my Wi-Fi and it's connecting. Can y'all see? Did I proceed? It's very hot in my room. I don't know if it's the ring light. Oh my god, I'm starving. Don't want me stomach. Setting up my account. Scoot back. I need to soon get a case for this. And I want to get like a keyboard cover, get a case. And yeah, but anyways, while that's like loading, let's open this up. This is a big cube. I don't know. What if it's like, oh, express setup? Setting up my app. Setting it up, boo boo. Oh my god. Last night I could not sleep. My back was killing me. Like I had certain spots in the middle of my back that was like felt bruised. So I was like, what the heck? And I couldn't sleep. And then my mom says, are you like you're not that anxious to like open presents? Like I am trying to go to bed, but like I couldn't. It opened. Now I get to change my background. Oh, my battery's like low. So let's charge that up. Okay, right now it's like down, like restarting and stuff. Taking forever. I put my hair because I'm hot, so I need to clean up. My boyfriend takes me. He just opened his gifts right now and he's all excited. Can't believe I got a computer. A MacBook. Oh my god. Ooh, it's gonna be a long journey, guys. I'm gonna change like the background. I don't know how to do like a clock. You know how like everybody used to do like a clock? Well, I don't know what else to do. I wanna see. I'm gonna what's next? February? I can do like Valentine's background. I love my pajamas. Me and my boyfriend are twinning. I'm gonna bra land. I'm gonna put makeup on a little bit. TikTok. Oh my god. I need to clean my phone. It's so dirty. So y'all can see with me. It's taking for. Y'all like the new update of Instagram? It says 18 minutes. My skin looks good. Turn this way, wait. Turn this way, wait. My skin's doing better, tailing down now. I'm gonna get a clear case. I'm gonna put stickers all behind it. Yes. Opened. There's me, my cute son. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna ask my dad for help for something, so I'll be right back. So yeah, I hope you like the mini short unboxing. I'm gonna like edit this video right now and I'm gonna post it. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!